This is how you change your location for your VPN in Opera GX. So the first thing you want to do is turn the VPN on, and you do that by going to settings on the left side of the screen, and then you can scroll down until you find VPN, or actually you gotta have to click on advanced here, and there it is, VPN, enable VPN. And there we go. Now that we've enabled VPN, in the top left corner, I'll just switch tabs. In the top left corner, you can see VPN. And this means that it's off because by default, it's not turned on while you're using search engines. If we go to another site, then you can see that it works. So click on it and then you can change the location here. However, you can basically only change the region and not the location. If we go here to the search engine, where it's not working or it's not on right now, and click on it, you will see this. Try device-wide VPN. Unlock access to more than 60 VPN locations worldwide. Try for free. So this is probably a paid service from Opera GX that allows you to select more than just regions. And that is it. Hopefully this helps you.